welcome to our live again from the University of Abuja Senior Staff Quarters where they for Giri for Abuja. And before I've been shown at the entrance to the quarters as it be, but now we don't enter inside. And security people full here, then they get a small interaction with the VC of the school to see how they go take manage the situation.
But we are going to say,
security personnel.
For now, they may not go very far. They may not go very far. I don't know. I wouldn't know their victims. But it's obvious. It's obvious. We have to take the
Okay, VC.
VC, sir, let's have a brief chat with you.
Okay. Hey, you guys.
Hold on.
Just take your time.
Okay, country people, and as the place be, almost all the security people from military and paramilitary, then they here to see us. Then will take manage the situation, put everything under control, and then they find out how the people take enter inside the place and waiting they don't do the time where it happened, and some other questions where then they ask the VC of the school. But as it is now, as an addition for this live video. Now they see security people full here from police, the Nigerian Army, NSCDC, all of them they ground for this place. Now the VC waiting for this live video. Now wear this green agbada, so him and the man waiting in charge of press now in the there. So okay. Talk people full here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, we thank you, Ms. Sema, that in this moment of trial that we are facing, please don't talk. I'm not the one who's speaking.
It's off camera.
It's off camera. But please, I just want you to, the Vice Chancellor will speak with you very, very briefly. As you can see, we are probably not in the mood for that. Very, very briefly. 1 to 3 questions, that's okay. And one that, well, okay. Please. Just
okay, this is done they come. You go come tell us as take happen, and then what thing then they do. Sorry, sir.
And please, specific questions. Specific questions. 3 questions, that's okay, sir.
And the VC be this.
This is the Vice Chancellor.
Sorry. Don't pick the middle camera.
Please, can we arrange ourselves properly?
It's a sad moment, you know. At what time did you get this stress call? And what exactly is on the ground to ensure the safe return of your staff?
Well, the whole thing started around, 12:40, thereabout, and, almost immediately we got mobilized because already we have a very strong security team that is watching fully throughout our campuses, monitoring, pursuing, making sure that this kind of thing never happen. And as soon as we got it, we mobilized the security, the army, the police, the DSS, everybody who were here. Actually, by that time, we started pursuing, and this has continued up till now. The truth is that this is one of the most devastating incidences. It's becoming like a daily affair in this nation, and it's very sad that this great university is being attacked this way. It's very sad.
Let's get a clear from you. When you said you started pursuing,
we're pursuing them.
What do you mean by that? Is it that you have security men that are after the invaders as we speak in the bush?
Yes, we have them as I speak. It's a joint forces of military, police, our own security people, vigilant, everything. I mean, I can't go into all the details, as you know. The issue of security is not thing that you just speak publicly. But what I just want to assure you is that we are pursuing them. And we are not going to give up until we get them.
How many of the staff are involved, sir?
How many
of them?
In terms of numbers, total of 6 people, 4 staff, 4 children of staff. I mean, 3 staff, 3 children of staff. So that's 6 people altogether.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Please, let's speak with the chairman. Excuse me, my colleague. This is the area council chairman. Hello.
Area council chairman.
Gwagwalada area council chairman.
Gwagwalada area council chairman.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Straight to the point.
So you are the chief security officer of Gwagwalada area council.
Recently, we had the Safe School Declaration Conference first in Africa, and then nobody expected or nobody saw this coming. That is happening in your area council. Is this something that you imagine? How do you feel right now?
Well, just like the VC rightly mentioned, it is a sad experience. But fortunately, with the information, the security agencies, it's a joint force that already swing into action. And we want to believe that positive results will be obtained at the end of the day, because as we speak, people are already spread into the bush, and we are believing that something positive and rescuing these people will be a success at the end of the day.
Gwagwalada have been in the news recently, sir, especially the area of Anagada, Tungamaja. We have heard cases of a kidnapping.
Well, I think this is the same as you are talking about, and even in my security minutes, I always capture this place. In particular. So I use this media to call on the country, particularly the security agencies, on this particular axis from here to Anagada and Tungamaja axis, because it's more predominant in this place.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Country people are not here na the council chairman of Gwagwalada. With that, in just talk say this place na flashpoint in terms of security issues. But in the hope say then go rescue the people, then go bring them back unharmed. So the VC of the school don't confirm the number of people where the government carry, then 3 staff and 3 children, making a total of 6. 3 staff and 3 children, making a total of 6. Now, so the VC of the school just talked moments ago for the live interview where we did do now. As an addition, so because of this matter, now all these security personnel don't gather for this University of Abuja senior staff quarters where they for Giri for Gwagwalada area council for Abuja. Now inside the staff quarters, now we did like this.
Hello, Abila. If you are coming from town, it's the front gate. If you are coming from it's the second gate. There's a vehicle in front there. Do you see the vehicle?
Okay. Country people make I sure now as inside the staff quarters be. Now inside the staff quarters be this.
I'm here.
Now inside the staff quarters be this. We're gonna carry on our eye, see as the environment be. We make those Jagoda people get easy entrance to the place. So now this early momo, now the thing happen. Jagoda people, armed men enter inside the University of Abuja senior staff quarters. Come kidnap 3 staff and their children. Security personnel, as I talked before, flew for this place to see how they would rescue them unharmed. Okay, make us still show now as the staff quarters be, and the staff quarters be this. Some parts of the staff quarters be this, the big parts like this, but now here we be there at the moment, so I say make I show now as the University of Abuja senior staff quarters be, where the armed men enter this early momo con kidnap 3 staff of University of Abuja and 3 children, according to the VC. As I talked before, they don't increase the security presence for the entrance to this place. And then the FCT Police Command don't also confirm the story. They say they still do preliminary investigations, but a combined team of army, police, a joint task force team, according to the VC, and the area council chairman of Gwagwalada don't talk say they don't enter inside bush. They carry out search to make sure say they rescue the 3 staff and their children safely. Okay, country people, now so it be today for inside the FCT, Nigeria capital, and Nagiri we day where the University of Abuja senior staff quarters day for Gwagwalada area council, and the story will bring us out now as armed men enter inside this place, kidnap 3 staff and 3 children.